So now today we will discuss about the chapter sides and angle of a triangle. So consider this triangle with having an angle A that is equals to 120 degree. The theorem we have to prove here is that the side opposite to greater angle is always greater. That we have to prove. The side opposite to greater angle is always greater. So one of the angle of this triangle is 120 degree. We can now measure the other angle of the triangle. So let's suppose I measure this angle. This angle is around. So the other two angles of a triangle are, this angle is 30 degree and this angle is also equals to 30 degree. It's that's by chance that these two angles are equal. So I draw a triangle with an angle 120 and the other remaining two angles are 30. Now what I have to prove? I have to prove that the side opposite to means that this side is greater than remaining these two sides. That we have to prove. So for this proof, I measure the length of each side. I measure the length AD. I got 4.6. You measure when you draw the triangle, you have to measure with the scale. I have a software, so I'm using the software. So the length of this side is 7.97, and same way when I measure the length of this side is equals to 4.6. So it means that we are correct. The side opposite to greater angle is always greater. As I if I try to drag this triangle, let's suppose if I want to change this triangle, always say that this value is always greater. If you want to change the angle of this triangle, you can try. We can try it with different triangle as well. Now I take another example, another triangle, ABC, in which all the three angles are of different degree. Angle A is 67.64, angle B is 76.62, and angle C is 735.74. Now, if I try to measure the length of each side, the largest side, the side, first of all, find out which side will be greater. So, according to our theorem, the side opposite to greater angle is always greater, means that this angle is the greater one. So, it means that this side will be greater. So, we check it by measuring the length of each side. So I'm trying to measure this side, that is equal to 8.97. Same way I measure the length of this side and this side. So now you can see that as this is the largest angle, the side opposite this is the largest, 8.97. Then this angle is 65.64, therefore this side is 8.53. And similarly, this angle is 35.74, so this side is 5.31. So the side opposite to larger angle is larger. So we can say that AC is greater than AC. So now we can write that AC is greater than BC, and similarly BC is greater than AB. AB is the smallest side because it is opposite to smallest angle. Then and AC is the largest side because it is opposite to largest angle. So we have to remember the theorem that the side opposite to greater angle is always greater.